everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about Junior Maths 1B, Maths 1B, Applications of Derivatives, 7 mark question. As we know that in this chapter we have four word problems. Four questions are there. Among that four questions, they may ask one question. No, damn sure they'll ask one question. In general గా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏం థింక్ చేస్తారంటే ఈ చాప్టర్ చాలా హార్డ్ ఉంటుంది, సో అసలు ఈ చాప్టర్ గురించి పట్టించుకోరు. బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ ఫోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఈజీ. వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద సమ్ వీ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. సమ్స్ ఆల్ ద ఫోర్ సమ్స్ ఆర్ వీ కెన్ డూ ఇట్ ఈజీలీ. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో లెట్ us read the question carefully. Answer is easy only. From a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 cm into 80 cm. Rectangular sheet of dimension this is our rectangle. Dimensions are 30 cm into 80 cm. I mean length is 80 cm, breadth is 30 cm. Clear? From a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 cm into 80 cm, 4 equal squares of side x cm are removed at the corners. What they said? 4 equal squares of side how much? X cm are removed from the at the corners. Everywhere here it is x, 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 x. Here also x, 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 x. 4 equal squares of side x cm are removed at the corners, and the sides are turned up so as to form an open rectangular box. So as to form an open rectangular box. I mean, which is nothing but which is a net of a cuboid. Children, when we open a rectangular box, you will get what? Cuboid, as cuboid is made up of rectangle. Adi when so and then turned up so as to form an open rectangular box. So find the value of x so that the volume of box is greatest. So that the volume of box is greatest. Okay children. Now when we remove square of side x cm at the corners, then see children, here we are removing x centimeter, here also we are removing x centimeter. So here x plus x, remaining part how much? Remaining part will be 80 minus 2x. Length is 80 minus 2x. Here also we are removing x centimeter, here also we are removing x centimeter, remaining will be 30 minus 2x. 30 minus 2x, right? So therefore length will become 80 minus 2x, breadth will become 30 minus 2x, and height will become x. Height remains constant, that is x centimeter. Children, did you understand? When we open a rectangular box, you will get a cuboid. Okay children, now let us find the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid, we know that volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So volume equal to length is 80 minus 2x and breadth is 30 minus 2x and height is x. Therefore V equal to 80 into 30, 8 3 is 24, 2400, 80 into 2x, 160x, minus 2 into 30, 230 is 60x, minus 2x into minus 2x plus 4x square into x. Okay children, so V equal to 2400, 160 minus 60, that is equal to 220x plus 4x square into x. Now 2400 into x, 2400x minus 220 into 220x into x, 220x square, 4x square into x, 4x cube. So our value is 4x cube minus 220x square plus 2400x. Right?
This is our volume. Now what they are asking to find? They are asking to find the value of x so that the volume of the box is greatest. Okay. What we need to do here? We need to differentiating with respect to x. So this will become dv by dx equal to 2400 into x derivation 1, as the derivation of x is 1, 2400 into 1, 2400 only, minus 220 is constant, x square derivation is 2x, plus 4 is constant, and x cube derivation is 3x square. We are differentiating with respect to x, children. 2400 x differentiation 1 minus 220 x square differentiation 2x plus 4 x cube differentiation is 3x square. So dv by dx equal to 2400 into 1, 2400 minus 220 into 2, that is equal to 440x plus 4 3 is 12x square. This is our equation number 1. Again differentiate with respect to x, children. Differentiating with respect to x. So this will become d square b by dx square, second order derivation, equal to, as 2400 which is a constant, as constant derivation is 0, minus 440 into x differentiation 1 plus 12 into x square differentiation is 2x. So d square b by dx square equal to minus 440 into 1, 440 plus 12 into 2, 12 to the 24x. 12 to the 24. That is minus 440, 24x minus 440. So actually for maximum value, let me write here, for maximum value dv by dx equal to 0. Where is dv by x? Yes, here we have dv by dx, that is 12x square minus 440x plus 2400 equal to 0. So for maximum value we need to equate first order derivation dv by dx which is equal to 0. Is it clear, children? We are equating first order derivation equal to 0. We got 12x square minus 440x plus 2400 equal to 0. I can take 4 common, I guess. If I take 4 common, 4 3 is 12, 4 1 10 is 4 600 is equal to 0. So 3x square minus 110x plus 600 equal to 0 by 4, that implies 0. So what we will take common now? 600 into 3, that implies 1800. Factorization, 600 into 3, 1800. Actually we need to get minus 110, as the middle term is minus 110. 9 to the, yes, of course 90 into 20, because if we add 90 to 20 we will get 110. 90 20 is 1800. So minus 90 minus 10 minus 20. The factors are 90 and 20. So 3x square minus 90x minus 20x plus 600 equal to 0. From these two terms, if I take 3x common, x minus 30. If I take minus 20 common, here x minus 30 equal to 0. Again if I take x minus 30 as common, 3x minus 20 equal to 0. So one is x minus 30 equal to 0, so x equal to 30. Second one, 3x minus 20 equal to 0, 3x equal to 20, x equal to 20 by 3, which is not possible. X equal to 20 by 3 is, x equal to, actually 30 is not possible. X equal to 30 is not possible, right? For maximum value. So x value, they are asking to find the value of x. What is the value of x? As the value of x is 20 by 3. Okay. Now let us substitute 20 by 3 in second order derivation, that is f double dash. We can also call as d square v by dx square as f double dash, because we did second order derivation. F double dash of 20 by 3 equal to minus 440 plus 24 into 20 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 8 ja. So minus 440 plus 8 2 are 160. 0, 14 minus 6, 8, 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 280, which is less than 0. F double dash x minus 24 into 20 by 3. 820 is 160 minus 440 plus 160, which is less than 0. Therefore, f of x is maximum at. Therefore, f of x is maximum at. F of x is maximum at x equal to 20 by 3. F of x is maximum at x equal to 20 by 3. Therefore, the value of x is 20 by 3. Children, are you getting confusion anywhere? Nothing. After finding the volume, you have to how to do the sum. Let me explain. First, we have to find the length, breadth, and height, and then we need to find the volume. Then we need to find out first order derivation, equation number 1. Then we need to find second order derivation, equation number 2. To f of x is maximum, we need to equate first order derivation equal to 0, dv by dx equal to 0. Then you will get the value of f x. One is 30 and second one is 20 by 3. So x equal to 30 is not possible. Then f double dash of 20 by 3. And equation number 2 we need to substitute. In equation number 2 we need to substitute x equal to 20 by 3. Okay, which is less than 0. Therefore f of x is maximum at 20 by 3. Therefore the value of x is 20 by 3. Okay children, once if you practice, only once enough. I guess only once enough. If you practice easily, every year they are asking this question. One of the most important question among the 4 questions. One of the most important question. This is the differentiation. Once differentiation, factorization, that's all. Nothing is there in this sum. Children, as for my suggestion, as for my knowledge, I will suggest you to do sum. Very easy sum. Okay children. Now coming to second question. A window is in the shape of a rectangle surmounted by a semicircle. A window is in the shape of rectangle surmounted by a semicircle. This is the diagram. A window is in the shape of, this is our rectangle surmounted by a semicircle. If the perimeter of the window is 20 feet, given perimeter of the window is 20 feet, find the maximum area. Find the maximum area. So first let us find, let the side of the square be, now it's a rectangle. So this is our center. If it is x units, then this is also x units, because center to any point on a circle is called radius. So this is x units and this is x unit. Total how much? Total length will be 2x. Total, let the length of the rectangle be x, and for let the length of the, let the breadth of the rectangle is y units. Okay, okay children. And coming to circumference, we can also call as perimeter of, as it is given, perimeter of window is 20 feet. Window is in the shape of rectangle surmounted by a semicircle. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter means 2 into L plus B. 2 into length is 2x plus breadth is y. 2 into 2x, 4x plus 2 into y, 2y. So perimeter of rectangle is here 2x plus y. Actually perimeter of rectangle is 2x plus 2y, 2 into L plus B. So because perimeter is 2x plus y plus this part, this is y, this is 2x and this is y, and we need to find this perimeter, this sum of the length of its sides. Okay children, so perimeter is 20 feet, one is 2x and other one is y. So from here I am going 2x, this side is 2x and this side is y. What about this children? What about this?
Actually we know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r, but this is semicircle, 2 pi r by 2, 2 gets cancelled, pi r. But here radius we have taken as x, so this will become pi x children. This is our pi x.
అర్థమవుతుందా? Perimeter means sum of the length of the all the sides. This from here we are going, here this is 2x, then this is y, then this side will be circumference of circle. Okay, because surrounded by semicircle, circumference of semicircle is pi r, but here radius we have taken as x, it will become pi x, right?
So 2x plus y plus pi x and then y, that is equal to 20 feet. అర్థమైందా? ఇది 2x y pi x plus y, sum of the length of the all the sides, which is 220. So 2x plus pi x, y plus y, 2y equal to 20. So 2y equal to, let us transpose all the terms. This plus 2x you transpose minus 2x, plus pi x you transpose minus pi x. Therefore y equal to how much? 20 minus 2x minus pi x by 2. Okay children, what is the value of y? Y equal to 20 minus 2x minus pi x by 2. Okay, now let us find total area. What is the area formula? Length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. 2x into y, 2xy plus what is the area of semicircle children? Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Here radius is x, pi x square by 2. What is the area of semicircle? Area of semicircle is half into pi x square. A equal to 2xy plus pi x square, right? So 2x into, what is the value of y children? The value of y is 20 minus 2x minus pi x by 2. As we are substituting in the place of y, 20 minus 2x minus pi x by 2 plus of pi x square, right? 2 gets cancelled, so a equal to 20 into x, 20x, x into 2x, 2x square, x into pi x square plus 1 by 2 pi x square, right? So a equal to 20x minus 2x square. Children, this is 1 by 2 pi x square minus pi x square. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus 2 pi x square plus 1 pi x square. This will become minus pi x square by 2.
Minus pi x square by 2. Is it clear children? 1 by 2 pi x square.
1 by 2 pi x square minus pi x square. Nothing means 1. LCM 2. This is pi x square minus 2 pi x square. From 1 pi x square you remove minus 2 pi x square. Obviously you will get to minus pi x square by 2. Right? Minus pi x square by 2.
Now actually when in the shape of perimeter is given, find the maximum area. Find the maximum area. So first what we have to do, differentiate with respect to x. For area,
because they are asking to find the maximum area. Okay? Let us differentiate with respect to x. So this will become dA by dx, 20 x differentiation 1 minus 2 into x square differentiation 2x. Pi by 2 is constant, x square differentiation is 2x.
Children, is it clear? Because they are asking to find the maximum area. Then we need to differentiate with respect to x.
Then x differentiation 1, x square differentiation 2x, pi by 2 constant, x square differentiation 2. 2 gets cancelled. So dA by dx equal to 20 into 1, 20 minus 2 to the 4x minus pi x. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Now again differentiate with respect to x. So you will get d square a by dx square 20 constant minus 4 into x differentiation 1 minus pi into x differentiation 1. So d square a by dx square equal to minus 4 minus pi, which is less than 0. If d square a by dx square is less than 0, therefore a is maximum. Therefore a is
Therefore A is maximum. So for a maximum value, what to do? For maximum value, what we have to do? Equate first order differentiation f dash x equal to 0. We can also call as f dash fx. This is our function. This is our derivation. This is our function. This is our derivation. So f dash x equal to 0. That is 20 minus 4x minus 5x equal to 0. Right? Transpose 20 equal to 4x plus 5x. So 20 equal to, if I take x common, I'll get 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 you transpose 20 by 5 plus 4, that is equal to x. So what is the value of x? X equal to 20 by 5 plus 4. They are asking to find the maximum area. They are asking to find the maximum area, right? So maximum area,
so we have area equal to,
we know that area equal to 2xy plus 1 by 2 into 5x square. This is our area. Area equal to what?
2xy plus 1 by 2 into 5x square.
Okay. Now let us substitute the values of 2xy, 2 into, what is the value of x? X value is 20 by 5 plus 4. X value is 20 by 5 plus 4. And what is the value of y? Y value is
20 minus 2x minus 5x. 20 minus 2x minus 5x, right?
So what we do, children? 2xy plus 1 by 2 by x square, right? Let me do it here. I don't have place here. For maximum value 2xy plus, okay, first of all let us find y value so that easily we can substitute. How to find the value of y? Y equal to, this is y. We got x value. Now let us find value of y. Y equal to, as here we have 20, I can take minus x as common. I'll get 5 plus 2 by 2. Or else directly we will substitute. What is there? 20 minus 2 into x value 20 by 5 plus 4 minus 5 into x value 20 by 5 plus 4 by 2, children. So y equal to 20 minus 40 by 5 plus 4 minus 45 by 5 plus 4 divided by 2. Here nothing means 1. So y equal to, LCM is 5 plus 4. Already divided by 2 is there. Children, 20, 2 20 is 40 by 5 plus 4. Minus 5 into 20, so 25 not 45. 20 into 5, 25 by 5 plus 4. Divided by, already we have 2, that 2 here. 20 into 5 plus 4, 25, 24 is 80, minus 40, minus 25. Minus 25 plus 25 cancel. 80 minus 40, 80 minus 40, 40 by 2 into 5 plus 4. 2 1 jar, 2 20 jar. So what is the value of y? Y value is 20 by 5 plus 4. Okay. For maximum value, we equated first order derivation equal to 0. We got x value. Then we substitute x value in this equation. We substitute x value in this equation. We got y value also. Okay. Now find the maximum area they said. So area equal to what?
Area equal to 2xy plus 1 by 2 by x square, right? So a equal to 2 into, we got the value of x is 20 by 5 plus 4. Also the value of y also 20 by 5 plus 4. 1 by 2 into pi into x value is 20 by 5 plus 4 whole square.
right? Now A equal to 20 into 20, 20 square, pi plus 4 into pi plus 4, pi plus 4 whole square. I can take 20 by pi plus 4 whole square common, then I'll get 2 plus pi by 2. So A equal to 20 square, I can call it as 400 by pi plus 4 whole square into 2 to the 4 plus pi by 2. Pi plus 4 cancel, 2 1 job, 200 job. So A equal to 200 by pi plus 4. A equal to 200 by pi plus 4, that is square units because it is area. So what is the first procedure, children? Here procedure is given perimeter 20 feet, then you will get the value of pi, and then we need to find area. First order differentiation, second order differentiation. To get maximum value, f dash x equal to 0, you will get the value of x. Put x equal to 20 by pi plus 4 in equation number, in this value of y, you will get the value of y. Then we will substitute in the area. So area equal to 200 by pi plus 4 square units. Okay, children? Now coming to third question. If the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is inscribed in a sphere of radius r is maximum, so that height of the cylinder is root 2r. If the curved surface area of right circular cylinder is inscribed in a sphere of radius r, right? See, this is our diagram. Cylinder is inscribed in a sphere of radius r. What is the radius of sphere? Radius of the sphere is r, and let the height of the cylinder be h units. This is our radius of the cylinder sphere r. Let capital R be the, see here, let r be the radius and h be the height of the cylinder. H be the height of the cylinder and included in a sphere of radius r. What is the radius of sphere? Capital R is the, so this is our sphere radius. Capital R is the radius of sphere and small r is the radius of the cylinder. Total height is h units. Then from here to here, which will become h by 2 units. Total height means this is total height h units. This is h by 2 and this is h by 2 units. Children, once again listen. We inside the sphere we have inscribed a circular right circular cylinder. Okay. Let the r be the radius of the, small r is the radius of the cylinder, capital R be the radius of the sphere, and h by 2 is the height. Okay. So children, if you see this is our right circular cylinder, right angle triangle. This is our right angle triangle A, B, C. This is our h by 2, this is our capital R, and this is our small r. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is capital R square equal to AB is h by 2 whole square plus BC is R square. Capital R square equal to h square by 4 plus R square. Right? So h square by 4 you transpose this side, capital R square minus h square by 4 equal to R square. So what is the value of R square? As R square equal to capital R square minus h square by 4. Now, if the curved surface area of right circular cylinder, what is the CSA of cylinder? As the surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi RH. What is the surface area of cylinder? S equal to 2 pi RH. So S equal to 2 into pi into RH. What is R here? R square equal to capital R square equal to small r square minus s square, right? 2 pi RH. So what you do? Squaring on both sides. S square equal to, it will become 4 pi r square h square, because we have the value of r. In the place of r we can put root over r square minus h square plus 4 also. Root means it will become difficult. Children, once again, curved surface area of right circular cylinder is 2 pi RH. Squaring on both sides, s square equal to 4 pi r square h square. So s square equal to 4 pi r square value how much, children? That is capital R square minus h square by 4 into h square. So s square equal to 4 pi into, nothing means 1, LCM 4 capital R square minus h square into h square. 4 gets cancelled. So s square equal to 4 pi r square, pi into 4 r square, 4 pi r square minus pi h square into h square, right? Or else till here only we leave it. 4 pi square let it be here only. Again why to do it everything? S square equal to 4 pi into r square value capital R square minus h square by 4 into h square, right? Now let us differentiate with respect to h here. Differentiating with respect to h here. So this is called as f dash of h, 4 pi constant, 4 pi square, right? So here 4 pi square, sorry, 4 pi square into r square minus s square by 4. So here capital R square so let us multiply here these two. This will become r square h square minus h square 4 by 4. One step let me include here, children. 4 pi square, children, 4 pi square r square into h square, r square h square minus h square into h square, h power 4 by 4. We know that surface area of right circular cylinder is 2 pi RH. Then squaring on both sides, 2 square 4 pi square r square h square. 4 pi square as it is. In place of r square we substituted capital R square minus h square by 4 into, we have already h square, right? 4 pi square r square into h square, r square h square minus h square into h square, h to the power of 4 by 4. Now we are differentiating with respect to h. 4 pi square r square constant, h square is 2h minus h power 4 is 4h cube by 4. h power 4 is 4h cube by 4, right? Now as 4 gets cancelled, so f dash of h equal to 4 pi square into 2r square h minus h power 3. This is our equation number 1. Again differentiate with respect to h. Differentiating with respect to h. Okay, I mean f double dash of h equal to 4 pi square into 2r square into h. Differentiation of h is 1 minus h cube differentiation is 3h square, right? So f double dash of h equal to 4 pi square into 2r square minus 3h square. This is our equation number 2, right? So for maximum or minimum value, for maximum value, maximum or minimum, for maximum or minimum value, f dash h equal to 0. What is f dash h, children? 4 pi square into 2r square h minus h cube equal to 0. Okay, here 4 pi square is multiplying transpose, you'll get 2r square h minus h cube equal to 0 by 4 pi square, 0 only. So here I can take h common, then I'll get 2r square minus h square equal to 0. Again 2 is multiplying transpose, it will become 0. So 2r square equal to h square. Square you transpose, it will become root 2r. What is the height of the, so that the height of the cylinder is what? Root 2r. Yes children, we got h equal to root 2r. So let us substitute f double dash of 2r. F double dash of h means we got root 2r. So 4 pi square into 2r square minus 3 into h value is root 2r whole square. So 4 pi square into 2r square, 3 square 9, 9 to the 18 r square. 2r square, 3 square not 3 only, 3 to the 6 r square. So 4 pi square into minus 4r square minus 16 pi square r square minus 16 pi square r square. Or else let me keep it like that only. Therefore height of the cylinder is what? Surface area is maximum. Surface area is maximum at h equal to root 2r. Okay, till here you can do it children. You have to practice twice or thrice this sum, because we will confuse a lot. When we are doing sum, we will confuse a lot. R value, this you have to remember, surface area of cylinder, S equal to 2 pi RH. Then we did squaring on both sides, and then we substituted R square value in this equation. Then we have differentiated with respect to H, equation number 1, again differentiating with respect to H, equation number 2. Getting maximum value, we need to equate f dash of H equal to 0, so we got H equal to root 2R. Yes children? Now coming to question number 4, a wire of length L is cut into two parts. This is the wire of length L is cut into two parts which are bent respectively in the form of a square and a circle. Which are bent in the form of a square and a circle. Right? So for example, let the length of the circle be x units, then what about the square? L minus x. Is it clear children? Total length of the wire is L. They cut it into two parts such that length of the wire that is cutted is x unit. They make this length, they made like this. Cut చేసిన part ని దాన్ని circle గా చేసుకుంటే let it be x units. Then remaining will be L minus x. Yes or no children? Because total length is L, we are considering x unit as length of the circle. Circumference of circle. Then remaining length will be the which are bent in the form of what? Square, right? This is our square. Okay. Let the side of the square be y units. Let the side of the square be y units. Okay. Now this is our radius. Let the radius be r. Okay. Now they are asking to find what are the length of the pieces of wire so that the sum of the areas is the least. So that the sum of the area is least. Okay. Now first of all, let us find the perimeter of the square. What is the perimeter of the square? 4 into side. 4 into, let the side be y. That is equal to 4y. And remaining one is perimeter of square. What is the perimeter of square? 2 pi r. Nothing but circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r. Okay. Actually, perimeter means sum of the length of the all side. Perimeter of square is 4 into side, 4 into y, 4y. That is nothing but what is the length? This L minus x only, we made it at a L minus x only, we made into as a circle. As a square. This length only, whatever the length is there, no, that we made into the form of square. I mean length of the perimeter of the sphere, nothing but 4y, which is nothing but L minus x. So therefore y equal to what? Therefore y equal to L minus x by 4. Y equal to L minus x by 4. Now coming to perimeter of circle. What is the perimeter of circle, children? As the perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. That length is what now? That length is x units, which is equal to 2 pi r. X equal to 2 pi r. Therefore r equal to what? R equal to x by 2 pi. Children, did you understand these 2 points? ఏం చేస్తామంటే టోటల్ లెంత్ L, దాన్ని 2 పార్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేస్తే let the length of the square ni x unit అనుకున్నాం, length of the circle will be x units, length of the square will be L minus x units. We know that the perimeter of square is 4 into side, at the side of the square is y units, means 4y. That 4y equal to L minus x. So y equal to what? L minus x by 4. Second one, perimeter of the circle is, I mean circumference of circle is 2 pi r, which is nothing but x units. So r equal to what? X by 2 pi. The sum of the areas of the square and circle, because they said so that the sum of the areas equal to what is the area of sphere? As the area of the square is side into side. Side into side means y into y square, plus what is the area of circle? Area of circle A equal to pi r square, right? So y means how much, children? Y square is there. Y means L minus x by 4 whole square, plus y into r means what? X by 2 pi whole square. X by 2 pi whole square. That is sum of the areas, right? A equal to, I can write as L minus x whole square by 4 square means 16 pi into x square by 4 pi square. Pi into x square by 4 pi square. So I can cancel pi. So A equal to L minus x whole square by 16 plus x square by 4 pi. X square by 4 pi. Now what you do? Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So this will become dA by dx equal to, so we are differentiating with respect to x, L minus x whole square, right? So L minus x whole square, right? So this will become dA by dx 2 into L minus x, as the differentiation of minus x is again minus 2 into L minus x by 16 plus x square differentiation is 2x by 4 pi. So 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So dA by dx equal to minus 2 into L minus x, 2 is not there, already 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, L minus x by 8 plus x by 2 pi. Minus of L minus x by 8 plus x by 2 pi, right? Again we need to differentiate. This is our x value. Again differentiating with respect to x. So this will become d square a by dx square equal to, as x differentiation is minus 1, minus into minus plus, it will become L minus x by with respect to x we are doing, so L is constant, L minus x by minus 2 into L minus x by 8, right? Minus 2 into L minus x by 16, so 2 1 ja, yes, correct only, plus x by 2 pi, x means 1, that is 1 by 2 pi. L minus x d square a by dx square, we got, here we got 2x by 4 pi. We are differentiating with respect to x, so only constant will be, that will become 1 by 8. So children, because we are differentiating with respect to x, right? So x value 1, L constant, sorry children, L constant, constant differentiation is 0. Again we should not write. So minus into minus plus 1 by 8. Let me explain once again. This is our area differentiating with respect to x. 2 into it is in the form of x power n. 2 into L minus x, again x differentiation minus 1, therefore minus 2 into L minus x by 16. So 2 1 ja 2 8 ja we cancel. X square differentiation is 2x. Now again we are doing differentiation with respect to x, right? Minus L differentiation constant 0, x differentiation minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 pi. Okay? Don't confuse. Once again we need to practice. Okay? Now, therefore A is maximum. Therefore A is maximum. Now, for minimum value, we need to equate first equation equal to 0. I mean dA by dx equal to 0. dA by dx equal to 0. What is dA by dx? Minus of L minus x by 8 plus x by 2 pi equal to 0. Right? So let us transpose this term that side. X by 2 pi equal to L minus x by 8. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. Cross multiplication, 4 into x equal to 4x. L pi minus x pi. Okay? So let us find minus x pi, you transpose this side, 4x plus x pi equal to L pi. So what we will take common? Here we will find the value of x. X you take common. If I take x common, 4 plus pi equal to pi L. So x equal to what? Pi L by 4 plus pi. What is the value of x? As the value of x is pi L by 4 plus pi. Okay. Now let us find the value of L minus x, so that easily we can find the value of y. Okay. First let me find L minus x. L minus x value is pi L by 4 plus pi. This is 4L plus L pi minus pi L by pi plus 4. Both gets cancelled. 4L by pi plus 4. That is the value of L minus x. Right? Now let us find the value of y. Let us find the value of y. Y is nothing but what? L minus x by 4. L minus x means 4L by 5 plus 4 into 4. 4 gets cancelled. So what is the value of y? The value of y is L by 5 plus 4. L by 5 plus 4. So let the side of the square is, so x equal to pi L by 4 plus 5, and the second one is L minus radius equal to what? X by 2 pi. X by 2 pi means x value pi L by 2 into pi L by 4 plus 5, right? 2 pi. X value what? Pi L by 4 plus 5. Already we have 2 pi. So pi we can get cancelled. So L by 2 into 4 plus 5. 2 into 4 plus 5. Okay children? So this is our what are the length of the pieces of y? That the length of the pieces of y is L by pi plus 4, and R is x by 2 pi means L by 2 into 4 plus 5. They are the length of the squares. Length of the pieces of the y. Okay children? So which is also the most important question. This is also 21 board model paper question. Once you try to do. Once again what they did? First we did perimeter of the square. 4y equal to L minus x, we got y value. Then perimeter of circle, 2 pi r equal to, let the length be x. So x equal to 2 pi r, therefore r equal to x by 2 pi. They said sum of the areas is the least. Area of the square is y square and this is pi r square. Then we got equation number 1, differentiation. Equation number 2, differentiation. For getting maximum value, we need to equate equation number 1 equal to 0. We got the value of x. Then we found the value of y. So y equal to means L minus x by 4.
and R value we found L, that is L by 4 plus 5.
Okay children, this is our one of the most important 7 mark question. Total 4 questions we covered in this video. So children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you children.